The agribusiness industry today faces several challenges such as increasing demand for food, stagnant production and shrinking resources. However, we believe that rapid advancements in technology can effectively overcome these challenges. The Smart Assistance with Integrated Technology, SAWIT, provides analytics-driven insights to farmers and agribusiness companies across the value chain.
The solution has been developed by harnessing our agro-domain expertise and competency in IoT and big data analytics. Here comes the adoption of IR 4.0 using AI, cloud computing, geospatial, and big data specifically in oil palm plantation monitoring or management. The use of drones, multispectral satellite imagery, and remote sensors as the tools ensures that crops and the soil accurately receive what is needed for optimum health and productivity, thus preventing wastage and reduce time and cost. The implementation of cloud technologies in the plantation management system offers various benefits to its users. The system allows the client to gain access to their data easily, as long as the users are authorized users of the system as well as have a connection to the internet. The data is easier to be accessed and more robust in the sense of preventing the loss of data since the backup is available through cloud computing technologies. This facilitates the sustainability assessment of the field apart from farmers. The solution can also enable the field representatives of the agribusiness companies to enhance engagement with farmers. The field representatives can help farmers in the decision-making, promote right products and increase sales leads. The Smart Assistance with Integrated Technology uses algorithms and machine learning techniques to process real-time data captured from the field using IoT devices in combination with standard reference data agroecological data, built on an architecture that is modular, scalable and customizable as per the client's needs. The solution is completely mobile-enabled. This is how we help our agribusiness clients transform to become a live enterprise.